What's up?
Yo, we just got a delivery.
Yeah.
It came on a tow truck. I bought a new toy.
I already know.
I bought a truck. I bought a big truck.
Oh, that's a remote control truck?
No, I bought a truck.
Check it out.
We gotta go outside and grab it. It's outside.
It's right here.
No, it's not.
It came in already.
Open that bad boy up.
Is this the big package?
That's the big package. Everyone keeps telling me to go buy a new vehicle and spend some money. It's a tax write-off. You just ripped my invoice. Excellent.
Yo, that's pretty sick, dude. That's pretty cool.
Bought a new truck.
There it is.
Let's go.
A Volcano 16. Have you ever cleaned a Volcano 16
I haven't
before?
cleaned a Volcano 16, but let's open that bad boy up. What's in the package?
This is a Red Cat, not a Hellcat. Don't confuse it.
Don't confuse it. This
It's
is more
li-
power. You held on to that knife so
Like
weird.
a pencil, bro.
Yeah, dude. What are you drawing? Hey, 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 hey. There's more.
There's more. Don't wreck the
Stress me,
box.
Don't wreck the box, dude. We gotta use it,
So-
abuse it, and sell it.
So one of one. Yo, this is
Was that
packed.
marble? Holy.
Great packaging. It's actually it's pretty sick. Look at the freaking hood clips. Yo, different tires.
That's the
You-
remote control, isn't it?
Oh. I thought you could swap these out, dude. That's pretty gangster. You thought it was a little bit bigger,
I
right?
thought it was a little bit bigger, yeah.
This will go up a
That's what she said.
Yeah. Let's see. Not to ruin anything. Bro,
You got
feel
grip.
that.
You got
Feel that.
grip
That's
on there.
actually
That's some
pretty
Goodyear
nice.
rubber on there.
2.4 gigahertz.
Or is that the Michelin Sport Cup pilots?
That's, we're gonna swap one of these for that. Yo, let's plug this in. The
You get two
battery.
batteries? It's supposed to come with two
What's
batteries.
the USB for? Oh, to charge it?
Only one battery?
Or is there a
Thinks that
battery in there
Might be a
already?
battery in there. I don't know.
How do we?
I swore it said it came with two batteries. Yeah, look. Included.
This is heavy.
Two.
This is heavy. There's a battery in here. How do we turn this on?
All right.
Motor cooled down. Do not touch this motor until it has cooled down.
We're going to touch it, aren't we?
I'm turning this on.
Well, do we need batteries for this thing? Probably. Of course,
Really?
dude. Double
Does
A.
this plug in?
Oh, man.
Oh, man.
Well,
Well, that was short-lived.
be right back. After a quick break, our friend Rhonda at UPI hooked us up with some batteries. Thank you, Rhonda. We got Andy a sandwich from Clover's Kitchen
one
that they
and
sell
only.
there. Him a protein bar because he wants to stay jacked. And
Hubba
Bubba Bubba.
That's very weird.
It's been a while.
I watched
since
a
I've had that.
YouTube video of Hubba Bubba yesterday.
Cool story. Nobody asked. Strong freak. Oh, there you go, dude.
Oh, there you go. Try it out.
Seems quick.
Oh.
Well, this is confusing, dude. I gotta get used to this.
The turning.
Yeah.
For people wondering, this is how you turn.
Oh, no way. Oh, we need two of these.
Ow!
Break it in the first few minutes. Yo, that four-wheel drive
that
putting in
rips.
work. Look at it. That's
Yo, that thing, it flies. Go down.
you enjoyed our new truck for the shop.
What would you
Our
rate this?
final conclusion with this thing.
Out of 10.
Fun, 10 out of 10.
You say a step first.
10 out of 10, fun.
Yep.
Build quality, I'm not a remote control car expert, so to me it's a 10 out of 10, except for the remote control. This is made cheaply, the reverse kind of is not right.
You gotta really like push it.
It just
This
seems
is comfortable.
cheapy.
This is comfortable. This is a.
That seems like it's built good. It came with 2 batteries, but for the amount of money you pay for this, I think it should come with batteries
How
for the
much did you
remote.
pay?
I don't know the actual retail on this thing 'cause I got it for cost, but this was under, for me, 150 bucks.
And the turbo.
And
mode.
the speed control on that thing is wild.
This is slow mode. I'll do medium.
It's always
mode.
gonna look fast.
on the video.
This is supposed to be a conclusion, like an ending.
I'm having too much fun. Is medium mode? Pretty fast.
It looks
now,
the same.
Now max. Dude, that's sick. I'd say it's worth it.
That's pretty cool. And you can tell, what was I gonna say right there? I'm getting distracted by the donut. Men don't grow up. We still like toys. Kayla's gonna watch this and be like, what the hell? Is this not recording? Oh, it is recording.
In between your legs, dude.
Yeah, peace. I don't trust you.
In between my legs.